This is Mark from Team How To, and we're teaching the masses how to.
Hey guys and gals, it's Mark. Today I want to talk a little more about the watermark images, a little more about what you specifically need in regard to those, where you can get them for free, easy ways to find them. A lot of people go to the sites like Pixabay, which I like the site, but it's a little more limited on what you're going to find. So if you want like an unlimited supply of options, and remember again, we're doing this for a specific reason. In the case of this video, I'm looking for the watermark. So I'm going to put in watermark and YouTube subscribe watermark. We can do the 150 by 150. That'll give us some good options. Just using this, the key we need to know here is let's go to images. I clicked on that. What we're also going to do is go to tools, and we want to do the user rights as Creative Commons license. That's going to give us only free images, ones we should be able to use without any trouble. And if you look up here, you can even narrow this down a little more. There's a subscribe button. That might be good. And sometimes you'll see, this varies up here, but sometimes you'll see watermark or whatever. But let's go with subscribe button. So this is going to give us lots of really good options. Now I'm going to suggest that you get one that has a transparent background. As you can see, well, if you don't know, these are the ones with the little checkerboards. Those have a transparent background built in. I'll have another video showing if you don't know how to make a background transparent. I'll show you a couple ways to do that. But for the sake of argument, let's just grab one that we like and say that it's just, hopefully we want a square. There's a 150 by 150 here. We can see it right now. So this looks like a pretty good one. Let's just click on that, and then we'll grab that. And so all we got to do is just go right click and save image as, and we want it to be a PNG, and there it is, yes, PNG. So we can just save that. So there you go. That's about all there is to it. Now, if we've already got one that's 150 by 150, it's ready to upload, assuming it's got the transparent background we want. And you don't have to have transparent. That's just the way I like it. So there you go. That's just a super simple way to go. Another way, like I had mentioned before, is Pixabay, Pixabay.com, and they've got a lot of great images. You don't have to wonder whether they're free or not, but as long as you've dropped the tools down and changed user rights to Creative Commons, you have nothing to worry about there. So you can go through, pick what you like. And once again, if you don't know how to upload one of these images to be your watermark for your subscribe button in your YouTube videos, watch this video coming up here. Hopefully that'll help get you in the right direction. Hope you learned something. Please subscribe. Thanks.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?